Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sankara. In this case, we are going to discuss the disqualification of the former Maldives presidents. Former Maldives president. So he is Yamun. Gayoom. Normally, Gayoom is the surname or Gayoom is the popular name. So Yamun Gayoom. We all know that he is anti-India. He has even conducted a slogan also, I think, was a resolution against India. He is anti-India man. So that is a political issue. Here, the president, former president Mr. Maldives, of Maldives, he was barred from contesting elections. He was barred from contesting elections. Why? Because he was convicted in a corruption case. While discussing Rahul Gandhi case very recently, we came to know that the maximum punishment for the defamation case under section 499 and 500 IPS is 2 years, and it was imposed on him, as a result of which he has lost his membership as member of parliament. Of course, luckily, it was revoked, and I think he may attend the parliament. Is a different story. But disqualification, Schedule 10, you all know, of the Constitution of India. So this disqualification is there universally, or is there in so many other countries. Maldives is one such country. Of course, you may be knowing that people who are in jail, who are suffering sentence, Azam Khan in Uttar Pradesh, so many people are there, not only that. So they are contesting elections and they are coming out successful. But nowadays it's not possible if you are convicted for more than 2 years in India or in Maldives also. Right. So he was convicted in a, that is the PM, just like our PMLA case, that is a money laundering case. And while suffering sentence in the jail, he wanted to contest and he filed nominations. The election commission rejected his nomination, saying that he is ineligible as he does not meet the conditions stipulated in Article 109 of the Constitution of Maldives. Article 109 says, any person convicted for more than 2 years in any case involving the moral turpitude, he cannot contest the elections for the subsequent 6 years, just like our Indian Constitution. Right? Justice Hussein Al-Sood, Justice Hassan Al-Sood of Maldives Supreme Court took the decision because agreed by this order of the EC, this man went and filed an appeal before the Honorable Supreme Court of Maldives. Supreme Court ruled that Yamun is ineligible as he does not meet the conditions under Article 109 of the Maldives Constitution. So he is pleased that people who are suffering sentence, they can contest. But the clear decision by the Supreme Court of Maldives is that people who are convicted, they cannot contest. Actually here, he is convicted for 11 years. He is convicted for 11 years, more than 2 years. So please remember, the commission, election commission, so wanted to, at one stage, having heard the arguments, they wanted to make him contest, but of course, Supreme Court has now given the clear-cut decisions. So, he is the president of Progressive Party of Maldives, PPM they call, Progressive Party of Maldives. Now, he has to field another candidate because elections are far approaching. I think yesterday was the last day for the nominations. The elections are scheduled to be held on September 9th in Maldives, right? So, why I have made this video is not only in India, in other countries also, this provision is there. What is the provision? If any person is convicted any public representative is convicted for more than 2 years in any case affecting the moral turpitude, then he is not eligible to contest, that too for the honorable post of, for the coveted post of the president of the country. Right? So he was convicted in the year 2022. He surrendered to the court. He is convicted in a money laundering case for taking bribes from a private enterprise while he was the president. So just like our that LG company vice president of Korea, he was also convicted. In China, they don't accept even that foreign minister. We don't know whether he is alive or not. They take it very, very seriously. So keeping aside all these developments, so here what you have to learn is, so the former president Mr. Yamun, he is barred from contesting the elections. Of course, the present president, he wanted to come for the second term. Present president is Ibrahim Muhammad Soli. Ibrahim Muhammad Soli, he is seating his second term. Of course, he is in friendly terms with India. So whatever be the political overtones, why I am making this video is to make you learn that the conviction will debar a person from contesting elections. Thank you.